In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email in Siteground using this straightforward step-by-step guide. Setting up your email is an essential part of managing your online presence, and Siteground makes this task a breeze with its intuitive interface. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you get your email up and running smoothly. First off, you'll need to visit Siteground's homepage. You can easily do this by heading over to siteground.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for and click on the login button. You'll typically find this in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. This will direct you to the dashboard where you manage all your sites and services. After signing in, your next stop will be your account section titled My Siteground Account. Simply click on this option and it will lead you to a list of all the websites you have under your account. Here you'll want to select the websites option. This will display a full list of the websites you're managing through Siteground, making it easy to pick the right one for your email setup. Once you're in the websites section, the next step is to dive into Site Tools. This is the heart of your site management, providing you with access to all the various tools that Siteground offers for managing the back end of your sites, including your email setup. So go ahead and click on Site Tools next to the website where you want the email to be configured. Here you'll be faced with a variety of options, but for now your focus should be on the Email tab. It's a dedicated section where you can manage all email related settings for your domain. Clicking here will reveal several options, but the one we're interested in right now is Accounts. In the Accounts section you'll find the option to create a new email account. This is where the actual account creation happens. You'll need to fill in the relevant details such as the username and a secure password. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Create button to finalize the setup. And there you have it, your email is now set up and ready to use. With these steps you can easily create as many email accounts as you need, all under your own domain, which is perfect for maintaining professionalism and consistency in your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy emailing!